What up YouTube world, I'm back on a bike. I ain't been on this bike in God knows how long. As you've seen from the other YouTube videos, I've been out hitting different cities, getting up to all sorts of mischief. But today, the bike's going for its first service. I'm just going to give you a walk around. It's proper dirty. It needs a mad clean, as you can see underneath here. So messed up, riding around in the rain and whatnot. I've hit the 300 and something first service mark, which I believe is about 311. We're a good 10 minutes away from the place where I brought this bike. I'll show you what it looks like before I jump on it and give you a start up. So that's on, that's down. Let's give it a little start up. As you can see, it's already warm. I've already been on the bike for about 10-15 minutes anyway. But I thought there's nothing better than a start up. Everyone loves a start up. Yeah, I'm at the local Shell petrol station. So I don't know if you can see, but it's at 340 miles. The garage where I brought the bike from is just down there. What we're going to do is head off and see if we can get some footage of the service. Whether they allow me there or not, I don't know, but they'll have to wait. Sounds good. I think once we get this first service in, be a little bit better. There we go, motorcycles, red line motorcycles. They're open. So we need to make some type of turn here somewhere. Don't know where. Oh, looks like it's gonna have to be here. Go. Do a little illegal turn. Here we go. Oh shit. I missed the fucking turning. Jesus. I'll have to come round and ride up. Said to be here for 9 o'clock. It's 8:54. I hate being late. So I don't know if you can see if the GoPro's picking up, but red line motorcycles. Here we go. Turn it off. Make sure it's all the way down, and we're here. Are they even open? Oh yeah, they're open. Alright, let's go. Morning. For service, yeah. Right, that's fine. I'll leave the key with you. Slightly random question. Is there any way, I don't need to be in there, but can we stick the GoPro in there just to get some footage for my YouTube channel?
No, I'm really sorry to go. Someone tried to film RIC. They filmed the RIC.
Oh, okay.
And they're walking with cameras and stuff, and the boss kind of.
Right, I thought I'd ask. So I'm in the shop. I did ask if I can film the service, but you're not allowed to go, or customers aren't allowed to go back there with the camera. So they asked me just to wait on this side. It'll take about an hour or so. But I just thought I'd show you some bikes that they've got in the shop. What's this? Benelli TNT. I like that colorway. 125. Let me show you Lexmoto vans. What they've got in the shop. They've got the black and gold. Normal LXR. Looks the part, this one. King film on the So this one, as you can see, I've actually got two black and gold ones. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one's there. Gold rims, gold decals. Let's show you the other black and gold one. Exactly the same. And there we go. This is what everybody wants to know. Looks good, man, the black and gold one. This is the stealth, low key, all blacked out with the little pouch. I'm not quite sure about that for me personally, but it is what it is. What other bikes they got anyway? Some old Kawasaki 750. Retro looking bike. I like this. Oh, here's my helmet. With the mirrored visor, silver one. These are mad. What is it? 1, 2, 3 readers. Summertime in a different country. These are coming handy. And they got all the Lexmoto heads. There's quite a few, to be fair. Got this 250 KRF. Why is it a 125? 2-year warranty. I think I can hear my bike being started. Oh, that's my bike. There we go. Being stolen. This is mad. This is. Jeez.
Oh yeah, but you still got yeah.
Got a Lexmoto head here.
That's the first thing.
And the Marlon,
Got another Lexmoto bike here.
yeah, how many times someone comes in?
We got a big boy 1000 RR Honda CBR. What's the damage on this? 505 reg, 1 owner, low mileage. What's the mileage? 10,000. Got another CBR here, CBR 500. Size wise, it's mad for 500. Right, so we've had the bike back from the service. They've done what they've needed to do. Total cost was like 60 quid, just the hour's labour charge. I need to come back because there's an issue, something to do with the ECU, but they're going to call me to say whether I need to come back or whether I don't need to come back, so that's a waiting game. But in the meantime and between time, the first service is done, and then for you Lexmoto people with the new Lexmotos, they've actually changed their servicing schedules. This service was 311 miles, and then the next one was supposed to be, I believe it was 900 miles, but now it's changed and it's gone from 311 miles to 3,000 miles. So I won't be back here for a service for a bloody long time, but that all depends on what they say reference the ECU issue. Let's jump on, get the fuck out of here. Red Line Motorcycles, thank you very much. Let's start this up. 341 miles. How am I gonna get out of here? This is gonna be interesting. And we're off. Make sure there's no one coming, which there isn't. First service down. Another biker, come on. We got the Federale in front. I got no out plates on. Oh, now we have to stop at the lights. Jeez. Hopefully they'll just drive past without no issues. And they have. Brilliant. Left foot down, right foot covering the brake. So it's got an issue with idling. It don't idle. And when it does idle, it feels like it's gonna cut out. think he wants to race this Range Rover guy. Not until I get a 600. Then we'll have ya. Just come back from seeing my mate. Had to have a little catch up with him. I ain't seen him in about a good month or so. TGI Fridays. I've only ever been there once. Don't think I'd go back, to be fair. Let's try and cut through all the bullshit and get to the front. And that's the advantages of having a bike. I suppose I could go forward. I'm trying to go up. No more gears after 6. Duh. Nah, I'll have to go now. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm back in the end. I know I haven't spoken that much, but I've just been enjoying the ride, to be honest. So I shall see you on the next one. Might try and come out tomorrow, which will be Sunday, and try and do another one. We'll see how the weather holds up. But in the meantime, in between time, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and leave some comments in the comment section down below. And I shall see you on the next one. Peace out.